Good morning, grade 8. Now, inshallah, we are going to complete our previous session, which was called Communicating with Digital Signal. And we studied before as lesson 1, communicating with the signal digital technology. Okay. But now we are going to study the second lesson, okay, communicating with digital signal. Okay. To complete this part, okay, can you read Yahya this paragraph, please?
Yes, I can do. How does digital technology advance science and science investigations? Digital signals are more resilient than noise and can hold amounts of information. In what ways are scientists using digital technology?
Digital technology, yeah. Advanced science. Listen to it again.
How does digital technology advance science and science investigations? Digital signals are more resistant to noise and can hold large amounts of information. In what ways are scientists using digital technology to advance science?
Yeah. What's meant by this device? Who can answer me? What's meant by this device? Mu'taz.
This device.
What is the name? عليكم
Telescope.
السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. هلا محمد.
Sorry, I'm late, Mr.
Don't worry, Muhammad. Don't worry.
A telescope.
Telescope. Okay, telescope. What are the benefits of this telescope? Who can answer me?
Me.
Can see the space.
Okay, Muhammad again.
You can see objects that are far away.
Yes, to help us to see celestial object. Celestial object means that the object which are very far away from us in our space, that can we see it by nearer way. Okay.
Yes.
Who is R? Who is R? Participant R.
This is the first time I see him.
Smith.
He left.
Yes, he left, I think. Yes.
Maybe by accident he joined.
Okay.
No, it will be the accident.
Okay, just that's never mind.
Okay, guys. So let's complete. So it's called telescope, which is can be used to get to nearer object to the celestial bodies. Okay. After that, read scientific. Read the scientific research text. Okay. Can you read, Mu'taz?
Read the scientific text. As technology has improved, space telescopes have to be updated to obtain and transmit more information. This advance in technology extends our ability to explore, measure, and model the universe.
Yeah, it's okay. After that, the next slide. About this Amazon miniaturized drives wave telescope. Okay, listen please, guys, to the first paragraph.
Shall be right back.
Close reading. Primary source. Amazing miniaturized sidecar drives web telescopes signal. Many technologies have become so advanced that they've been miniaturized to take up less space and weigh less. That's what happened to some electronics being built for the James Webb Space Telescope that will convert analog signals to digital signals and provide better images of objects in space when they're sent to scientists on Earth.
So this telescope can change analog signals to digital signal and provide better image of the object in space when they are sent to scientists on Earth. Okay, the James Webb Space Telescope is being built in northern Germany. Okay.
The James Webb Space Telescope is being built by Northrop Grumman. The electronic components on the Webb telescope are called sidecar ASIC.
So it's
Sidecar
what?
ASIC
So it's a name. It's an electronic component on the Webb telescope. Electronic component on the Webb telescope called what? Called what? Yes, Yahya?
Sidecar ASIC.
Yeah, sidecar ASIC. Okay. Means what? Means ASIC. ASIC. Okay. Sidecar. Okay. System of image digitization in enhancement, control, and retrieval application specific integrated circuit. Okay, can complete.
means system for image digitization, enhancement, control and retrieval application-specific integrated circuit. The sidecar has been miniaturized from a volume of about 1 cubic meter, 35.3 cubic feet, down to a small circuit that fits in your hand. To understand what the sidecar will do, it's similar to what is happening to broadcast television signals when they
So it's similar to what? Similar sidecar.
Television signals.
Yes, similar to television signals when they change it
Yes.
from broadcasting analog signals to digital signals, as made in February 2009. Okay.
changed from broadcasting analog signals to digital signals in February 2009. Like televisions, the Webb telescope is getting several of those converter boxes. One benefit digital signals have over analog signals is that digital signals can be easily transmitted and stored.
Okay, understand of this?
Yes, yes, I understand.
It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys. To complete.
Sidecar is a tiny advanced low-noise, low-power microprocessor-based control chip that was designed by Teledyne Imaging Sensors, Thousand Oaks, California. It's about the size of a $50 and can do the same job as an electronics box weighing 20 pounds. Its smaller weight also makes it easier to launch. As the acronym implies, the sidecar sits next to the detector like a sidecar on a motorcycle. Credit source: National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
Yes, this is source, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. After that, how does digital technology advance science and science investigation? Okay, of this. Listen, please. Then Muhammad Jibreen read.
How does digital technology advance science and science
After
investigations?
listening, Muhammad.
Digital probe space telescopes are not the only place that digital information is useful. Digital thermometers, like the one you used in the lab information stairs, are used by scientists to measure accurate data about temperature. The thermometer measures electrical resistance in a wire, which is related to the temperature of that wire. The thermometer calculates the temperature based on the resistance, and displays a discrete value.
Yes, okay. Can you read again, Muhammad Jibreen?
What?
Can you read again? Did you listen? Did you listen to this reading?
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Can you read again,
Digital
please?
probes. Space telescopes are not the only place that digital information is useful. Digital thermometers like the one you used in the lab. Information stairs are used by scientists to measure accurate data about temperature. The thermometer measures electrical resistance in a wire, which is related to the temperature of that wire. The thermometer calculates the temperature based on the resistance and displays a discrete value.
Yes, okay. Thanks, Muhammad. To complete, who can complete?
Me.
Okay, again.
Almost all probes and scientific measurements today use digital technology. Digital audio recordings help scientists understand what is happening beneath the ocean. Digital sensors are used to uh, are used in accelerators to understand what is happening at the smallest levels of matter. Digital signals sent by the Mars rovers told scientists about the planet's composition, the advancements of
Composition.
composition. The advancement of digital technology leads to further advancement of science. Each probe is designed to serve a particular function.
Yes, okay, thanks, Muhammad. So almost all probes and scientific measurement today use digital technology. Okay, so digital audio recording helps scientists, as example, to understand what's happening beneath the ocean. Digital sensors are used also in particle accelerator to understand what happens at the smallest levels of matter. Digital signals only sent by Mars rovers told scientists about the planet's composition, and the advancement of digital technology leads to further advancement of science. Each probe is designed to serve a particular function. Okay.
Why is the computer clever from Adam? What? So he can tell the time or can tell the time.
This is 3D thinking about how does digital technology advance science and science investigation. Okay, as far as using an analog clock and a meter stick to measure the speed that a ball rolls for Hair Lab, design a solution to improve the mean standard deviation of hair data using digital technology.
So that's it, Ahmed Adil. Now that's it, Ahmed Adil. I think now the computer is intelligent as it can tell the time and it can
Collect
process
that the way
information.
the digital information advances science support your claim about why cassettes are no longer used. Record your evidence in the chart at the beginning of the lesson. Okay, a day in the life of a marine biologist.
And where is Ibrahim now? I'd like to listen to the voice.
This
Ibrahim Nasser.
a day in the life of marine
Saying,
biologist. It's about what?
yeah, who are you?
Who can read the first paragraph?
Who are you? Tell me your full name.
Who can read?
Your full name is
First paragraph. Mu'taz. It's okay. Listen to it first, then read again. Okay?
full name is
Or
what?
read first. Listen to it first.
Marine biologist. Just as a GPS can provide information about the location of a car, satellite tracking technology can track wild animals.
Yeah.
One group of biologists who use satellite tracking technology is marine biologists. Marine biologists attach digital tracking devices to aquatic life, which helps in understanding the oceans. Data from the tracking technology provides scientists with information about the animals' locations, migrations, and populations.
So in the uses and benefits of digital technology in marine biologists during aquatic creatures, okay, and they can use information and collect information about the animal's location, migration, and population. Okay, all this data checked by what were taken by the digital tracking device to aquatic life. Okay, can you read it again, Jibreen, Mu'taz, please? Sorry.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Mu'taz.
Yes, Mu'taz, can you read?
Good job.
Yes,
So I missed
just
you so
as a
much.
GPS
Wow.
can provide information
And
about the location
Ramadan
of a
Kareem,
car,
inshallah, and happy
satellite,
Ramadan for you all.
satellite tracking technology can
You
track
enjoyed
wild
Ramadan,
animals.
class?
One group of biologists who use satellite tracking technology is
Ridwan,
marine
who are you?
biologists. Marine biologists attach digital
Ibrahim
tracking
Nasser.
devices
Ibrahim
to
Nasser, are you
aquatic
okay?
life, which helps in
Good job, Ibrahim
understanding
Nasser,
the
as
oceans.
usual. Good job, Ibrahim Nasser, as usual.
Data
And
from the tracking technology
yourself,
provides
and
scientists
don't
with
forget to pray
information about the
on
animals'
time and recite
locations,
Quran. Ridwan,
migrations,
you
and
get it?
populations.
Okay, thanks, Mu'taz.
So
So after that,
space
to
and
complete
answer
this,
homework on
okay,
time.
listen to it again. Listen to it first. Then you are
Please,
going to read
guys,
it again by again.
missed you
Okay.
so much. If you have any
Marine
questions,
biologists use digital tracking methods to study marine
Who are
populations.
you? Who are you?
It says audio failed.
Yes.
Yeah, I think that. I don't know why.
Marine biologists, just as a GPS can provide information about the
Yes,
location of
yes, tell
to
me.
aquatic life, which helps in
What?
provides scientists with information about the animals' locations, migrations, and populations.
Yeah, begin.
Marine biologists use digital tracking
So guys,
methods to
please
study
pay
marine
attention,
populations.
go to space
Marine
and
life,
try to
from
answer
sharks near
homework.
Southern California to seals north of Alaska, have suffered a population decrease over the past several decades. Scientists have discovered that overfishing, changing environments, and many other factors cause population declines in marine life. Information collected from satellite tracking is useful in determining ways to protect animals in the ocean and ways to help restore the populations. Without digital tracking technology, scientists would not be able to collect valuable information about these ecosystems.
Yes. Okay. So all these are a benefit of the digital technology, including aquatic creatures, okay, and marine biologists. Okay. Can you read it again, please, again?
Yes. Marine biologists use digital tracking methods to study marine populations, marine life, from sharks near Southern California to seals north of Alaska, have suffered a population decrease over the past several decades. Scientists have discovered that overfishing, changing environments, and many other factors cause population declines in marine life. Information collected from this satellite tracking is useful in determining ways to protect animals in the ocean and ways to help restore the populations. Without digital tracking technology, scientists would not be able to collect valuable information about these ecosystems.
Yeah, okay. Thanks, Mohammed. Thanks, Mohammed. After that, it's your turn. What are some other factors contributing to decreasing population benefiting the web? What can you do? Choose a marine species and develop an action plan to help stabilize their habitat. Share the action plan with your class.
It's your turn reading connection. What are some other factors contributing to decreasing populations beneath the waves? What can you do? Choose a marine species and develop an action plan to help stabilize their habitat. Share the action plan with your class.
It's okay. This is the last slide in our session. Okay. Lesson review. As we said before, about communicating with digital signals. All these that we studied before. Okay, I think that the session will be ended now. Thanks, friends. Thanks,
Thank you,
participate.
Mr. I enjoyed the class.
Thanks, Mohammed again, and me only, and me too. Okay, thanks, Mohammed, for your
Thank you.
participation and all participate. I hope that you enjoyed well from this session. Okay, happy Ramadan, guys. See you soon
Thank you.
later, inshallah,
Ramadan.
and
See
good
you.
luck. Happy Ramadan, guys. Happy Ramadan.
You too.
Thanks, my friends. Thanks, my friends. Goodbye. Goodbye.